is one of the most powerful function that is available in Spark, since this is used to create a new column based on the conditions on the existing column. So let's again look into the customer data that we have, which is this. Let me create a new column using email. Let's say that if the email is Gmail, then we are going to mark it as 1, otherwise we are going to mark it as 0. So to apply this condition, we can use case statement. In PySpark, we have the syntax like when and otherwise. So let me create a new column over here. I'll say df.with column, and we'll say the column name is Gmail flag. So there is a function there called as when. We can pass on the condition in this. We can say that f.when, f.call, call name is email, and we can say that dot and contains. So there is a function called as contains, and I'll say that if it contains Gmail, then I want to mark it as 1, or dot otherwise I'll say 0. So when I do a dot show, it will give me a new column called as Gmail flag, and you can see that the value over here is 1 for Gmail, and similarly we have a value 0 whenever the email is not Gmail. So let me only select these two columns to make it look better. So I'll say that's dot select, and the column name is email, and the second column is Gmail underscore flag. And in the show, we can say that we want to see 10 record, and we are going to say truncate equals false. The value is gmail.com, and you can see in this column Gmail flag it is 1, and other extensions like Hotmail or Yahoo or any other, you can see that the flag is 0. So this is how you can use the case when function. We can use this function in a like a single when statement, or you can also use the nested when statement. So how we can achieve that? We can again use say df.with column, and the column I'll say that Gmail Yahoo flag. So let's say f.when, f.call email dot contains, let's say we'll say it contains Gmail, then we'll mark it as 0, dot when, column name f.call email dot contains Yahoo, we are going to mark it as 1, and dot otherwise we are going to mark it as 2. So whenever there is a Gmail, we are going to say that it is a 0. Whenever it is a Yahoo, we are going to say that it is a 1. Otherwise we are going to say it as a 2. So let me just do a dot select. So the columns that we want to select is email and the GY flag, and we say dot show, say 20 comma false. So let me run this, and you can see that whenever there is a Gmail, like we have mentioned that Gmail is 0 and others are 2, and whenever there is a Yahoo, we would be having 1. So this is how you can use case when statement in PySpark.